Hi, everybody. This is David O'Day with O'Day Schneider, PLLC. And today we're talking about the Army system of adverse administrative actions, really the full set of tools commanders use when a soldier's performance or conduct is in need of corrections. Now, these actions exist on a spectrum ranging from simple counseling to measures that can end a soldier's military career. And the goal is always to rehab first and only escalate while necessary in theory. At the lowest level are counseling statements. These are intending to communicate expectations, highlight deficiencies, and give the soldier a chance to improve. Counseling can address performance, conduct, or any other issue affecting the unit, and commanders are encouraged to use counseling early to prevent more serious problems later, and obviously to deal with levels at the lowest level possible. Next is extra corrective training. Now, in theory, this should not be punishment. It's a targeted effort to fix a specific deficiency. If a soldier struggles with a task or fails to meet a standard, leaders can require forced training aimed at correcting the problem. Now, the training must be directly related to the deficiency and must end once the issue is resolved. When issues become persistent or more serious, commanders may escalate to written reprimands, censures, admonitions, and these are memorandum that could be formally documenting misconduct or poor performance, can be filed locally in the soldier's official Army military human resource record. Filing decisions can have lasting consequences, especially for career progression and future promotions. Another significant step is the bar to continued service, sometimes referred to as a local bar. Now, this is a tool that's used when a soldier demonstrates a pattern of misconduct, substantial performance issues, or lack of potential for continued service. A bar stops reenlistment, limits opportunities, and can begin the process of separating a soldier who cannot or will not meet Army standards. Taken together, these actions give commanders a structured way to address problems, rehab soldiers when possible, and protect unit readiness. But they also carry real consequences. Uncorrected negative actions on a soldier's records can affect promotion, assignment, and even lead to separation down the line. That's why it's critical for soldiers to understand these tools and for leaders to apply them fairly, consistently, in accord with regulations. Ultimately, adverse actions are about accountability in theory and improvement, not punishment. And when used properly, they can help maintain standards and support good order and discipline. But when used improperly, they can be extremely destructive to military careers. Thanks for watching the video.